1. I feel like I got nowhere to go. It's kind of similar to without the backing track. When I say nowhere to go, as in I don't want it to resolve, which is another word for making it sound like it should have gone where it was supposed to go. So that's my 1. Here's my 2. See, to me, this is a little bit what some people say is dissonant. It's not like I'm not comfortable with it right now. I don't know where it might want to go, but now if I go to the 3, oh, I like the 3. But what happens when I hit the 3 and then we go to the 4? It sounds a little more uplifting. It sounds like the 3 and then the 4 right after. People say the 3 wants to go to the 4. I would agree with that. If I play that 3, it sounds nice to go to the 4. You should discover this on your own, but let's try taking the 3 to the 2. Here's our 3. Here's our 2. Not quite finished. There we go. Finished. That's what we call resolved. So, we found that the 3 liked to resolve to the 4. The 3 did not really resolve when we hit the 2. Oops. Yep, sorry, the 2. Gotta look at the camera at the same time. It didn't really resolve when I went to 3 to 2. It still felt like something was left. Something's left on the table here. There it is.